ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 561. So the Rashitraya Siddhanta of Bhartru Prapancha, its Khandanam was done, that you don't need Vijnanamaya separate category. If you include that, other than Brahma, everything is negated as Neti Neti, it will also get negated. It will go in Murta or Amurta Prapancha. So the Nigamanam, the whole thing started from where, if you remember, he brings it. See. तस्य इति अत्र परकीय प्रक्रियां प्रत्याख्याय स्वमते तत्शब्दार्थम आह. तस्य, दिस इज हाउ द मंत्र बिगिन. परकीय प्रक्रिया, भर्तृ प्रपंच एंड सांख्य, वैशेषिक, वैनाशिक, all the prakriyas, their pratyakhanam means khandanam was done. स्वमते तत्शब्दार्थ is what? योयम दक्षिणे अक्षन पुरुष इति लिंगात्मा प्रस्तुतो. So this purusha in the right eye, Bhartru Prapancha Mata said it is, what did he say? Lingatma, Jivatma, Vijnanamaya. And Siddhanti said it is Sukshma Sharira. That Purusha, Mandala is Sthula, Purusha is Sukshma, not Chaitanya. This is how it was discussed. Iti, Lingatma Prastuto. See, third number Tippani, Antakaranam. So according to Siddhanti, Purusha is Lingatma, means Sukshma Sharira, Antakaranam, in this context. Adhyatme adhidaive cha ya esha etasmin mandale purusha iti. In Adhyatma and Adhidaiva, ya esha etasmin mandale purusha iti tasya iti prakrita upadanat. Because the one who is in Adhyatma and Adhidaiva, yaha esha etasmin mandale purusha, that is the purusha here. So tasya iti prakrita upadanat. Prakrita upadanat here, that is the upadanam, means that is what is taken for avalambitatvad. The Tippani Kara says, mean that is what is being taken for support. That is what is taken. Upadanat. Sa eva upadiyate. Lingatma eva upadiyate. See tika. उपादीयते यो असौ त्यस्य अमूर्तस्य रसो न तु विज्ञानमयः. विज्ञानमय was the Bhartru Prapancha Mata. So not Vijnanamaya, but Tyasya Amurtasya Rasaha. This is in Bhashya. Tyasya Amurtasya Rasaha. Now you see tika. Prakritatvat lingatma grahe jivasyapi panipesha vakye tadbhavat tasyaiva tat shabdena graha syat iti shankate. So tat shabdena, you are saying antakarana. Purva Pakshi says you can take Jivatma. Why? Prakritatvat, because that is the Prakaranam. Lingatma grahe jivasyapi panipeshavakye tadbhavat. Jiva, when that Panipeshanam was done, somebody was shaken. Jiva is present. That is also part of the Prakarana only. So why you are taking only Sukshma Sharira? Why not Jiva? Tasyaiva tat shabdena graha syat. Graha means
taking,
Jnanam.
jnana. Tat shabdena tasyaiva jnanam syat. ननु विज्ञानमयस्य एव एतानि रूपाणि कस्मान् न भवन्ति. दिस इज क्वेश्चन इन भाष्य नाउ. विज्ञानमयस्य एव एतानि रूपाणि मूर्त विज्ञानमय मीन जीव रूपाणि बहुवचनम. व्हाट इज द थर्ड वन? मूर्त अमूर्त वासना. Yesterday we saw this. विज्ञानमयस्य एव एतानि रूपाणि कस्मान् न भवन्ति. Why don't you say it is of this jiva? विज्ञानमयस्यापि प्रकृतत्वात् तस्य इति च प्रकृत उपादानात्. That is the prakaranam, and tasya iti cha prakrita upadanat. Its upadanam is done. Tika. Prakritatve api tasya nirvish. See, prakarana can be there. There is no objection. But what is the objective for which the whole thing has started? Brahma te bravani. I am going to reveal you Brahma. And what kind of Brahma? So Balaki already knew Savishesha Brahma. Nirvishesha Brahma Pratipadanam is the objective of all this discussion, prakriya, everything. So see, Prakritatve api tasya nirvishesha brahmatvena jnapaitum ishtatva. Nirvishesha brahmatvena jnapanam is the objective. That is the ishta. Jnapaitum pakara. Online. Online, anybody? Where is the pakara coming from? Can you hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
arti, free, arti, free, lekni, yukshma, yatam, punam.
Arti, hri, vli, ri, knui, kshmai, yatam, bhugnau. This is the sutra. Jnapaitum ishtatva. Nirvishesha brahma jnapanam is ishta. Na vasanamayam samsara rupam. Tatvato yuktam. Vasanamayam sansara rupam is not the objective. Iti pariharati. Naivam. Vijnanamayasya arupitvena vijijñapayishitatvat. Vijnanamaya arupitvena vijijñapayishitatvat. Vijnanamaya Jivatma is to be revealed as Nirvishesha Brahma, not Rupitvena, Arupitvena. Means it doesn't have any real upadhi. How it is given? You remember the mantra? Dvevava Brahmano Rupe. Brahma has these two rupa. Those rupas are to be negated. And what is revealed is Brahma without rupa. So it is arupi. That Brahma is essential swarupa of Vijnanamaya. Tika. Itasya jivasya na vasana rupita kintu chittasya. Itasya, for this reason also, jivasya vasana na rupita. Kintu chittasya. Vasana don't belong to jiva. Vasana belong to
Mind.
chittasya.
Suksha Sharira.
Means what is given there? Chittasya. So jivasya vasana na rupita. Rupita means dharmita. भाष्य यदि हि तस्यैव विज्ञानमयस्य एतानि महारजनादीनि रूपाणि स्युः तस्यैव नेति नेति इति अनाख्येय रूपतया आदेशो न स्यात्. If विज्ञानमयस्य एतानि रूपाणि स्युः, महारजनादि, महारजana means all these are colored. These are if they were the nature of Vijnanamaya, then नेति नेति इति अनाख्येय रूपतया आदेशो न स्यात्. Means if actually it belonged there, then Shruti cannot do Nisheda. Actually it didn't belong there. That's why Shruti is able to do Nisheda. This is not here. You are thinking it is there because of the Tadatya. यदि ही सी भाष्यकार है यदि ही तस्यैव विज्ञानमयस्य एतानि महारजनादीनि रूपाणि स्युः. महारजनादीनि means yellow, red, black, etc., etc. means all the colors. If that rupa belong to Vijnanamaya, then tasyeva neti neti iti anakhyeya rupataya. Anakhyeya means avachya, whose nirvachanam you cannot do. Adesho na syat. But Adesh is there. This is like how we saw in the morning. What did we see for Tarka class? If Ghata was there, yadi Ghato syat, tarhi upalabhyeta. Upalabhanam nasti, tasmat Ghata, Ghato nasti. In that. If the vasanas belong to Vijnanamaya, then neti neti adesha would not have been there. Neti neti adesha is there. Therefore, vasanas don't belong to Vijnanamaya. Tika nishedya koti praveshat iti bhava. Those rupani, maharajanadini, they are included in the nishedya koti. टीका नायं जीवस्य आदेशः किंतु ब्रह्मणः तटस्थस्य इति शंकयित्वा दूषयति. अयम न जीवस्य आदेशः किंतु ब्रह्मणः. पूर्व पक्षी is doing another objection. This is for Brahma. Brahma doesn't have any rupa because how it started? Brahmano dvevava Brahmano rupe. So Nisheda is doing, Shruti does Nisheda for Brahma not having any savishesha. Brahma is nirvishesha. It has nothing to do with Vijnanamaya. Na jivasya adesha. People are comfortable. If somebody says Brahma is asamsari, Brahma is ananda, thas, Brahma is this, Brahma is that. And then as soon as that session is over, people are dukhi. That is not the objective of this Pratipadanam. The Pratipadanam is to show you are a samsari. Nanu अन्यस्य एव असवादेशो न तु विज्ञानमयस्य इति. Why can't we say this adesha is for anya? Anya means Brahma, na tu vijnanamayasya. Na. Siddhanti says, Shasthante upasamharat vijñātāramare kena vijaniyat iti vijñānamayam prastutya sa esha neti neti iti vijñāpayishyami iti cha pratignyaya arthavatvat. Shasthante upasamharat. Shasthante means fourth adhyay, fifth Brahmana. That is again Maitreya Brahmana. Fourth adhyay, fifth Brahmana. At the end, Yajnavalkya ji's Vakya is this. Vijñātāram arekena vijani. It is na? Make it ni. Vijaniyat. So Yajnavalkya ji says, how can the knower be known? Vijñāta means knower. Kena karanena. By what karana, by what pramana can you know this knower? Iti vijñānamayam prastutya. So in that upasamhara, have they given the number? Maybe it is in 4-4, not 4-5. They have given 4-5. They have given 4-5. Prastutya sa esha neti neti. There also neti neti adesha comes. So neti neti adesha is for whom? This adesha is for whom? Vijñāta. He said Vijñātāram arekena vijaniya. How can you know Vijñāta? And therefore, how will it be known? Not directly, by nisheda. So Vijñāta is Vijñānamaya, means it is this pramata, jiva. From this jiva, everything is negated. Means neti neti adesha is for whom? Jivatma. Jivatma. Purvapakshi said, neti neti adesha can be for Brahma. Why you want to include Jivatma in that? So he said, no, it is for Jivatma. Jivatma is Dukhi. Remember, when it is said, this is Brahma, that is Brahma, somewhere, Brahma is not known for Anubhava other than as Pramata. In this Pramata itself, Brahma has to be shown. There is no other way to show Brahma. This is the Upalabdhi Dwaram. This is the only Upalabdhi Dwaram. Any other idea of Brahma is only imagination. There is no other Brahma. एक ही ब्रह्म है. If, for example, if somebody says, I want to know where Ghata is, so you say there. Where Ganga is, so you say there. Where Brahma is, you may show here, there, everywhere. There is no alambana for that Brahma other than Aham. Brahma can be revealed only here as Aham. Anywhere else, you are in Kalpana, and if teacher has shown like that, he is also in another Kalpana. So the whole understanding of Brahma will be only as Aham. Idam Brahma Asmi, Adaha Brahma Asti, or Idam Brahma Asti, Adaha Brahma Asti. In that way, Brahma is never revealed. Aham Brahma Asmi only. All other are, that's why they are Samshayatmaka Jnanam, Viparyatmaka Jnanam. So Vijnata itself is Brahma. So Vijnata has prana, Vijnata has manaha, Vijnata has indriyani. So there itself we are going to do nisheda. Aprano hi amanaha shubbraha is this only. Vijnata has three sharira. Bole saparyagat, shukram, akayam, avranam, asnaviram, do nisheda. Vijnata has avasthatraya. Nanta pragyam, na bahishprag. In Vijnata only they will show everything. In Brahma, there are three avasthas. Who thought of this? Who has this bhranti that Brahma has three avasthas? Brahma has three sharira. Brahma has prana, mana, etc. Neither we know nor we care if Brahma becomes mukta. Bhranti is in aham. Then only nisheda can be done. If somebody says, I already know Brahma doesn't have prana, mana, etc., you cannot do nisheda also. It is aprasakta pratisheda. Pratisheda should happen there where there is a possibility, there is a likelihood, or there is erroneous thinking. In aham, there is erroneous thinking. So that erroneous thinking is removed. What remains is Brahma. So don't think Brahma is all Madhuram. That Brahma is this only. So sa esha neti neti iti. This is one quotation complete here. Then Vijñapayishyami iti cha pratignayaha arthavatvat. Who said Vijñapayishyami?
Ajatshatra.
What is that?
Ajatashatru.
Vijñapayishyami. No. Vijñapayishyami or Vijñapayishyami. Vijñapayishyami iti. Vijñapayishyami means I will make you understand. Make you understand what? That you are a jiva? So that is, because the beginning was Brahma te Brahmane. I will tell you what is Brahma. So where he will show Brahma? In that Purusha who was sleeping, he was woken up by shaking. You see, this Jivatma who was not earlier available. When the Shabdas were uttered, he did not wake up. Now he is available. So Jivatma is available. That Jivatma is Brahma. In that way, Pratignya was done. Pratignya Purti. Pratignayaha Arthavatvat. Tika. षष्ठावसाने विज्ञातारम अरे केन इति आत्मानम उपक्रम्य स एष नेति नेति इति स एष नेति नेति आत्मा इति आत्म शब्दात् there what is the mantra sa esha neti neti atma there is not given sa esha neti neti brahma. It is given very clearly sa esha neti neti atma iti atma shabdat tasyaiva adesha upasamharat tasyaiva tasya atmanah, and if you want to say vijnata
Vijnanamayasya.
Vijnatuhu Vijnatuhu Ade, because Upakrama is about Vijnata. So then when Atma Shabda is used, that Atma is also for the same Vijnata. Because I know myself as Vijnata. See, always remember, Adhyaropa Apvada Prakriya, where I am, whatever Bhrant notions I have, those have to be removed. That about which I don't have Bhranti, even if you remove it 1,000 times, I will never think that this Apavada is happening for me. If somebody thinks I am Bahish Prajna, Anta Prajna, Ubhayata Prajna, Prajnanagana, to that person the Adesha, na Anta Prajna, na Bahish Prajna will work. To that person this Apavada will work. Person who thinks I am an individual, I am different from this, that, that person has to have this apavada that I am not an individual, I am not this person. If my identity that I am this person is so strong, other from this, that, this identity has to be negated. I need apavada for this. I need customized apavada. You are getting this? Let's say somebody has Pita Abhiman, so strong, Pitritva. For that person, Pitritva Apavada is what is required. He doesn't have this Abhimana, I am Guru, and you say you are not Guru, not Shishya. He never thought I am Guru, and he never had any Shishya. You say Naiva Guru, Naiva Shishya. It is just singing like a poetry. Chidananda Rupa. Because he doesn't have that Abhimana. What is the use of negation of those ideas which he never took for himself? Apavada should be done only of those ideas. That's why Avasthatraya, Shariratraya, they are general apavada. But I should understand that, oh, this is what is meant for me, because I think I am going through the Avasthatraya. And Shastra is saying, no, the one who is going through Avasthatraya is not you. You have no Avasthatraya. You have no Shariratraya. You don't have Prana. You have, because I constantly think I have Prana, I have Manaha, I have Indriyani. Then that Nisheda is Sarthaka. Otherwise, you are singing some nice things. There are so many people. I went somewhere many years back. This Manobuddhya Ankara Chittani Naham. There are 6 stanzas. In 6 ragas, that person sang. 6 ragas for 6 paragraphs. That prama doesn't come. You sing, and I'm sure that was not the first time that person was singing. So many stage performances they must have given of this. But the prama doesn't come that I am Shivoham Shiva. Because that Adhyaropa Apavada they have not understood. So the whole prakriya of Vedanta is for this. Each individual has to see where I have maximum problem. And I should start working from that. General Nisheda is done by Shruti. Avasthatraya, Shariratraya, ityadi. But if I have some specific hang-ups, that's why doctor, if you go to doctor, others may take some general medicine and they might be, you need some Vishesha. Because if you take this, you will have another problem. And if you don't take this, then you will have some other problem. So you need customized solution. So each one has to see where I have maximum problem. What makes me dukhi? That is where we have to start our yatra. So Vijnata Saha Esha Neti Neti Atma. There Upasamhara is done. Upasamharat ihapi tasyeva adesho na tatashtasya iti artha. See, here also tasyeva adesha. Tasya kasya? Ihapi. Vijnatu we left. If that is there in the हाँ, विज्ञानमयस्य इह in this prakana now विज्ञानमयस्य एव आदेशो not tatasthasya tatastha because that Brahma is wonderful, that Brahma is tatastha only. Okay, another thing is also pointed out in tatastha. Tatastha when they say means, you know, in Nyaya Darshan Ishvara is
तटस्थ
tatastha means
निमित्त कारण
hmm. Tatastha means nimitta karanam. Nimitta karanam means he has nothing to do with the world. As upadanam, he is not there, right? That Brahma, if I am, means if I equate myself with tatastha Brahma, who is nimitta karana only, then what will be my understanding? I am that nimitta karana Brahma. I have dvesha with all these people. Why? Because they all are not included in that Brahma. If that Brahma is understood as upadana karana, then all this is that Brahma only. So when I say I am Brahma, then I cannot exclude all this. So nimitta karana Brahma means I have understood I am that who is separate from all this, who has nothing to do with any of this. That Brahma is wonderful, I am one with that. So then that's why they say Jiva Brahma Bheda, if it is removed, then all other Bhedas also have to go. Not Tatasthasya. This Adesha is not for Tatastha. And that's why so much Upasana is that I should understand that Ishvara or Paramatma as Jagat Karanam, Jagat Karanam, Jagat Karanam so many times. Jagat Karanam means Jagataha Upadana Karanam. So Upadana Karanam means I understand everything is that my Bhagavan. Then I come for Apavada. Until then they say don't do Apavada because Adhyaropa has not happened yet. What Apavada will have? Like, if for example, just like in a drama, let us say, somebody had to give a dialogue. So when somebody spills water, then the other fellow is supposed to come and clean it, say some dialogue and go. Okay. Now that spilling didn't happen. He is waiting. That other fellow came, did the wiping, said the dialogue, went. Then the spilling happens. So upward will happen first and then Adhyaropa. So then nothing will, the Prayojanam Siddhi will not do. So in many cases, this is what ends up happening. Na tatasthasya ityarthaha. Itascha pratyagarthasya eva ayam adesha itya. For this reason also, this adesha has to be only for pratyagartha, means for pratyagatma. Vignapayishyami iti. च प्रतिज्ञाया अर्थवत्वात् तदेव समर्थ्यते. Now samarthayate, that is being supported now. यदि च विज्ञानमयस्य एव असंव्यवहार्यम् आत्मस्वरूपं ज्ञापयितुम् इष्टं स्यात् प्रध्वस्त सर्वोपाधि विशेषं ततः इयं प्रतिज्ञार्थवती स्यात्. यदि च विज्ञानमयस्य एव असंव्यवहार्यम् आत्मस्वरूपं ज्ञापयितुम् इष्टं स्यात्. असंव्यवहार्यम् शब्द प्रत्यय अगोचरम means अव्यवहार्यम, what we call is self is given here as असंव्यवहार्यम, beyond the शब्द and प्रत्यय. आत्मस्वरूपम ज्ञापयितुम इष्टम स्यात्, then only प्रध्वस्त सर्व उपाधि विशेषम ततः इयं प्रतिज्ञा अर्थवती स्यात्. So that आत्मस्वरूपम विशेषण is this. असंव्यवहार्यम आत्मस्वरूपम pradhvast sarvopadi vishesham. There where all upadis are dhvasta, eliminated. Then only this pratigna would be arthavati, that vignapayishyami iti. Tika, katham etavata pratignarthavatvam, then how by that pratigna will become arthavati? Tadaha, yena asau jnapito janati, आत्मानम एव अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति शास्त्र निष्ठां प्राप्नोति न बिभेति कुतश्चन इति येन असौ ज्ञापितो जानाति येन हेतुना दिस विज्ञानात्मा ज्ञापितः who is instructed taught janati what will he understand atmanam eva aham brahmasmi iti. By this teaching, what will happen? He will know himself as Brahma. Because I told you, anything else, if you know as Brahma, is only Kalpana. Brahma is not Paroksha. Brahma is only Aparoksha as Aham. This is the only place it is available. This, see, you think of it this way. Somebody who says, I have sorrow, Durvara Samsara Davagni Taptam. He goes to Guru. Guru says, I have samadhana of all your problems. Very good. What is that samadhana? Is a Brahma is samadhana. Tell me where it is. Where will he look for Brahma? So teacher, that's why says, I will tell you where Brahma is. There is no other location. It's a Tattvamasi. This is the only place that Brahma is available. So if I am imagining I will come across Brahma somewhere in some other way, it is never going to happen. Aham eva Brahma. Therefore, Shastra is Arthavat. Not only this teaching here, second chapter, anywhere, Arthavat only in this way. So, Dukkha Nivritti, Atyantika Dukkha Nivritti will happen when I understand I am that Sarvatmaka Brahma. And then only Eka Vijnanena Sarva Vijnanam will. Other, if Brahma is some another Parichinna Vastu, Sarva Vijnanam, how will it happen? So, Atmanam eva aham brahmasmi iti. One, Shastra Nishtham prapnoti. Shastra Nishtha means Nishtha in this Nirvishesha Brahma. That I am Nirvishesha Brahma. Shastra Nishtha means Brahma Nishtha. He will become Brahma Nishtha. Prapnoti. Not only that, na bibheti kutaschana iti. He will never have any bhaya. When there is so much sense of insecurity about myself or about something that belongs to me, then you will have this bhaya. Abhayam pratishtham vendate. This is the Jnana Phalam, Sitika. Jnana Phalam kathayati Shastra Nishtham prapnoti. Tika. Anvaya mukhena uktam artham vyatireka mukhena sadhayati. Now the same Anvaya is done. Now Vyatireka. What happens when it is not there? Atha punaha. Anyo vijnanamayo. Anyo neti neti iti vyapadishyate. And Vijnanamaya Jiva is different. And Neti Neti Adesha is for Brahma, which is different from Jivatma. Let us say, if this is the case, Vyapadishyate means is taught. Then, Tada, Anyat Ado Brahma, Anyo Aham Asmi, iti Vipareyo Grihitaha Syat. Then what will be the knowledge of that person after everything? What have you understood? Say yes. Ado Brahma, that Brahma. Anyo aham asmi, I am different. I have understood that is Brahma, I am different from that. This is called Viparyaya Grihita. Viparita Jnana. Not only that, Viparyaya Grihite, in Tika, Viparyaya Grihite, ब्रह्मकंडिका विरोधम दर्शयति. What is ब्रह्मकंडिका?
अहम ब्रह्मास्मि मंत्र.
ब्रह्म इदमग्र आसीत् तदात्मानमेव आवेत् अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. So if viparit darsh jnanam takes place, aham brahmasmi will have virodha, because that person jnanam was what? Ado brahma anyo aham asmi. And this Brahma Kandika says aham brahmasmi. Na atmanam eva aved aham brahmasmi iti. So then he will not know atmanam eva aham brahmasmi iti aved. He will knowledge will be ado brahma asti. What is the use of that knowledge? After all this so much long discussion, you see the result. What a wonderful. Tat shabdena jiva paramarsha asambhave phalitamaha. Tat shabdena jiva paramarsha is not possible. Asambhave phalitamaha tasmat tasyaha etasya iti linga purushasya eva etani rupani. Tasyaha va etasya purushasya. So purusha is linga purusha. Etani rupani, they belong to linga. What would have happened if Bhagavan Bhashyakar was not there? Who would analyze like this? Okay, we'll keep up to here. Another some question is there, but Mukhya was always remember Brahma will be known only as Aham. There is no other way to know Brahma. And when I know it as Aham, then all the other things I have to eliminate. Like that stone itself will be known as whichever Vigraha, Shiva, Krishna, Ganesha, whatever. How? Neti Neti. You will have to do a lot of Neti Neti. And the wonderful thing is, let's say in that you see Ganesha, let's say big Murti. In that itself, you can chisel out and make Ram out of it. Whichever one you want, you can. There, that is Drashtanta limitation. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavat Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.